Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best spray paints for plastic you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best spray paints for plastic in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Krylon Fusion Satin. Krylon White Spray Paint delivers best-in-class adhesion, durability and rust protection. This all-purpose spray paint bonds to difficult surfaces without sanding or priming, including plastic, wood, metal, PVC, tile and more. Whether your project is inside or out, this satin white spray paint offers maximum rust protection. Color changes everything from DIY projects to giving metal furniture a quick refresh. White satin spray paint offers a neutral, cozy finish to any project. White is a classic color that should be kept on hand with DIY supplies and in a craft or tool kit. Satin Finish Color Spray Paint offers a subtle sheen. With the easy push big button spray tip, you can spray the paint and primer spray paint any way, even upside down. Dry to the touch in 20 minutes or less with no runs, no drips, no errors. 12 ounces can spray paint covers up to 25 square feet. Our second best spray paints for plastic is Color Bond Plastic Spray Paint. Color Bond Leather, Vinyl and Hard Plastic Refinisher is car interior paint that gives you an economic alternative to refurbish or customize auto interiors.
Whether you are looking to refurbish car upholstery or create eye-catching custom auto interiors, Color Bond L, V and HP Refinisher can help you achieve the look you want no matter your budget.
Color Bond Pro Tech Trim Color is auto touch-up paint specially formulated to match OEM finishes on a wide range of exterior components. Intended for everything from bumpers to side view mirrors and everything in between, this trim paint is easy to use and delivers a superior finish. Color Bond's Pro Tech Engine Enamel will give your engine a beautiful fresh from the factory look, without shelling out big bucks. A shiny metallic alkyd primer, Color Bond's Pro Tech Engine paint was developed with modern technology to deliver maximum adhesion. Color Bond Leather, Vinyl and Hard Plastic Refinisher is a multi-surface, car interior paint that won't flake, crack or peel.
A urethane solvent-based coating, Color Bond L, V and HP Refinisher is automotive interior paint that bonds to leather and plastic surfaces.
Perfect for dashboards, door panels, car seats and almost everything else, Color Bond Leather, Vinyl and Hard Plastic Refinisher is car interior paint that looks great and lasts. Third pick in our list is Rust-Oleum 245197 Enamel Spray Paint. Rust-Oleum Universal Satin Spray Paint gives rich color and a smooth, low sheen finish to any indoor or outdoor project. Universal formula is fast drying and suitable for use on many surfaces such as plastic, metal, wood, aluminum, concrete, fiberglass and more. Oil-based spray paint resists fading and chipping while protecting surfaces from rust and corrosion. Features any angle spray technology with a comfortable cap design to allow painting of hard-to-reach areas and reduce finger fatigue. Rust-Oleum Universal Spray Paint, 1 can, many uses. Works on virtually any surface including wood, plastic, metal, fiberglass, concrete, wicker, vinyl and more. Oil-based formula with excellent adhesion prevents rust, resists fading and chipping for a long-lasting finish. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Krylon K01303007 Acrylic Spray Paint. Krylon Crystal Clear Acrylic Spray Paint provides a permanent, protective gloss coating that will not yellow with age. Moisture resistant and smudge proof. Improves artwork and photo contrast. This spray paint checks all of the boxes, earning it a high rating. Furthermore, it is capable of providing a protective coating on any type of surface, including plastic. As a result, it is capable of producing excellent results. Furthermore, with its long-lasting gloss coating, it can withstand any kind of condition without showing any signs of aging or peeling. Furthermore, it is moisture resistant and smudge proof, so you can use this spray paint on items that are kept in humid conditions. The following spray paint can improve the contrast of photos and artwork. The best feature of this product is that it dries to the touch in just 10 to 15 minutes. You can also handle the item in just 2 hours. Furthermore, it is very versatile in nature and may be used on a variety of items including plastic, wood, metal, paper, plaster, dried silk flowers, and ceramic, to name a few. Last in our best spray paints for plastic list is Krylon K05545007 ColorMax Spray Paint. This is the ideal paint for flipping thrift store finds, transforming old furniture, reviving scuffed and scraped luggage, updating home decor, or renewing just about any other plastic object in need of a facelift. Krylon ColorMax is available in a wide variety of colors, including many unusual brights, as well as flat, satin, or gloss finishes. There are also metallics. Krylon ColorMax Spray Paint and Primer delivers premium coverage and superior color with adhesion and durability. This primer and spray paint can be used on wood, metal, wicker, most plastics, glass, plaster, ceramic and more. Color changes everything from a furniture refresh to creative touch-up. White gloss spray paint has a modern, sleek finish. White color spray paint can be used for a variety of projects, and the gloss finish has a shiny sheen. The easy push big button spray tip on this all-purpose spray paint can help you spray any way, even upside down. Dry to the touch in 20 minutes or less for fast coverage to get projects done. 12 ounces can spray paint covers up to 25 square feet. For details, let's watch more.